I am currently riding on a flying sword. Hold on, are you zoomed in? Wait, don't zoom out, don't zoom out. Cut. We can't do this. You might be wondering, Raymond, why did you buy this luxurious AliExpress electric skateboard for simply no reason at all? In which I say, shut up, listen to my backstory first. I'll get to that. Everybody knows it. We're all in a Chinese time of our life recently. And as a Chinese person myself, I really want to connect back to my roots. One particular character I've been really inspired by is Yanqi, because he's fast and he can freeze his opponents. Now I can't just freeze my opponents, nor am I fat. I'm fat actually. But I can still make maybe a sword that I can ride on, similar to Yanqi, maybe a flying sword. That would be cool. Future Raymond here. I kind of forgot to tell you where I'm gonna go look for inspiration, but I saw this really cool TikTok clip.
Or the start of a new robotics frontier.
God damn. That is so cool. I want to do that. No, Raymond, you can't just build a heckin' drone any heckin' where you want. You have zero aerospace engineering experience, you dumbass. And also, if you even built one, it would just get shot down. This is an unmanned drone I'm launching into the sky if I ever built one. That's definitely not legal. And if we can't take it in the sky, we take it in the ground. Is that a sex joke? But anyways, we just need to take my cheap Chinese skateboard and turn it into a sword that we can ride on and control it with our hands, just like this team of Chinese scientists did. Great, so we're gonna use a skateboard instead of a drone so I don't get shot down by the US military. But how do we actually build it? So the thought process is, in order to control our skateboard, we need to first control its controller. Inside the controller, there's a thumb wheel. I fucking hate this thumb wheel. It's so bad. Instead, we could use an ESP32 that wires in directly inputs a voltage to control my speed, as well as use another microcontroller to register our hand signals and send it over via Wi-Fi. This is the first draft of a groundbreaking technology, Condom. You can see here, it's a gyroscope connected to a LED light, and if I tilt it, the light turns on. We can do the same with the controller and basically turn our skateboard into a uncontrollable death machine and then making me fall off, which would be really, really funny. With Condom on our hands, all we need to do now is connect the controller. Ignore the horrible soldering job. God, Raven, what are you doing here? Now comes your favorite time, which is code time. So let's get right into it. Basically, there's two different receivers, as I talked about before, with the sender and the receiver. You can see here that basically the sender is what's going on the glove, and it's connected to our gyroscope / like altitude, I don't know, the angle detector called the MPU 6050. It basically will send packets to the other ESP32, which is the receiver one. I configured some voltage limits to basically make sure I don't fall off and immediately die off the skateboard. And yeah, it sends it via connected Wi-Fi, which is really nice about ESP32s. And last thing, this is swapped from 6000 to negative 6000 because if I apply more voltage, it actually stops the skateboard. I don't know why, I'm probably going to explode it, but hey, it works and nothing's on fire or smells, so yeah. The receiver basically just receives whatever is calculated inside the sender, and then yeah, just applies it to the controller, and then the controller is the one that actually sends the commands to the skateboard, because I don't know how to edit the skateboard and I'm really scared that I will break it. Wow, Raymond, that might just be the most boring explanation I've ever heard. But anyways, after a couple of soldering failures, I finally got something that I can show you. Okay, so here is the setup. We got our glove, where if I do the hand signals on here, it will control this controller, which will then send the signals to here. And yeah, so let's try it out so you can see my tears as soon as this doesn't work. Go ahead. Okay, and then turn it on. And then turn this on. Oh shit, I reverted the wires. Okay, for real this time, you can see here, it's completely flat, but if I go up like the faker pose, it moves. Yes, let's go, it finally worked. Let's go. I'm gonna be a sword saint in no time. God, I feel like one of the zookeepers. If I go just a bit. Shit! This is take 2 of me being ass at driving a skateboard. Woohoo! Let's go! That's all I can ever ask for. Now I just need to turn into a sword. We got it to work! Now it might not be the next Tony Hawk, but I can show you a thing or two about skateboarding. I've never skateboarded once. POV, you're a Chinese cultivator from I don't know when. If I go on the skateboard now, and then I'm moving. I'm very fat, so that's why it's going so slow, but if I go, it should slow down now. Sheesh! And then I can go forward again. Yo! This is not the safest setup, but it works. It works so well. Now I can actually like cultivate. Okay, it died. Fuck me. Okay. Okay, go by yourself, fucker. Yeah. Wait. Why is it turning this far left? Why are you doing this? Why are you turning this far left? Come. Okay. It's finally moving again. Man, fuck this skateboard. Just go by yourself. Fuck off. Don't fuck off now. Why does it always twist like that? I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't have bought a skateboard for $100 off of AliExpress. But hey, please donate to my OnlyFans so you can see a better skateboard. Or even a painted skateboard. This doesn't look like a sword at all. Now you can see me with my sword, fucking off into the sunset. Hi, Future Raymond here again. I do not have the materials to cut wood or like paint or like cut foam to put on like maybe the handle for my skateboard. It kind of looks like a blade here, don't you think? But basically, I don't have the materials to do that. But if this gets 10 likes and one OnlyFans follow, I will do a part 2 and show it all off.